What is going on, guys? My name is Bryce Till. Welcome to my outdoor channel. Today we're at Lake Carl Blackwell. I've got my brother-in-law Robert, my buddy Spence, and Spencer out here. We're going to be doing a little bit of crappie fishing, doing a little bit of R&D on those crappie flukes that I shot earlier this week. I've got the black and chartreuse color, and then I poured another color that's orange and blue with a little bit of green flake, and we'll just call that one gator bait for now. We're going to try to catch some crappie and see which one does the best, and hopefully we can catch some fish. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. That's a good one right there. There we go. Dude.
Are you recording?
Huh?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Is that on one of the port baits?
That's gator bait, boy. Slurp that up. Yeah, that was
A deep one, though.
that was orange and blue. That was on the bottom. Like, I was still trying to find the bottom, and he just thumped it. I thought I was in a tree.
You're saying you got lucky this time.
Dude, yeah. If I caught a fish, I got lucky.
Yes.
I don't know.
He can catch trout, but that's...
I don't know. Yeah, if we're not trout fishing, I don't know what I'm doing.
We'll get along pretty good.
Yeah. There's one.
He's tiny. He is tiny. But I caught one on your bait.
Nice. I'm not going to go. I'm going to see my family, but I will get away and do some fishing. Gator bait.
That's that quality thing you were talking about.
That is that quality thing I was talking about.
Probably that one has been playing with me.
Maybe.
Probably thought he was on mine again.
You know, let me do Friday.
Got him all the way down there, didn't he?
No, he's got it right in the top of his mouth. It's really tough right there.
You need a pair of pliers?
I got it right there. I just pushed it out. Just got to get the right angle. I'll put my basket out there. So I didn't realize there was like a... Oh, it's all good. I didn't realize there was like an etiquette thing. Got a couple of nice ones though.
I did finally catch one.
That's a man. Hey, did Robert at least get it on camera?
Yeah, he got me pulling off the hook.
All right. If there's no evidence, I don't believe you. No.
No.
I would, man. I would. I believe you. Yeah. What'd you catch it on?
I was on his pole. It was your bait.
That's all I wanted to hear.
His pole and his bait.
Yeah.
But he's out there slaying it with the custom.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good for him.
I just figured out.
Just spreading a little bit out there.
You know, just.
That's okay.
But I caught one on yours, so it's all.
Hey, that's all that matters. I may not be able to catch fish, but by God, my baits can.
Oh my God.
Another one on gator bait. I'm not supposed to catch them that small.
She's using this gray jig heads?
Yeah.
Or unpainted?
Yeah, they're unpainted. Robert knows a guy around here that He'll sell you 100 for $10.
What are they?
Just just unpainted jig heads. Just
Oh,
those.
yeah.
Yeah, he'll pour 100 of them, sell them to you for
It's not bad.
$10.
$10.
Hey, you got one.
Yeah, a little one. Didn't even feel him pick it up. I was.
Yeah, I got a couple.
You gonna keep it?
No, do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I take it.
Your bucket right here, or right there? There you go.
It's alright, you're just sore.
My butt.
From that butt whooping I gave you.
My butthole is a little sore from that butt whooping you gave me. But you caught most of them on my jig, so I mean,
There's a good quality product.
there's a small win in the fact that you caught most of your fish on my jigs, but you know.
That's a big win.
No, you still caught more fish than me, so it's a small win.
Oh, that's a big win for your bait company.
Yeah, it is. And there's definitely people that saw that and they want to buy them now. That's pretty awesome. All right. Well, the jigs definitely work. I caught, I think, 5. 3 on that gator bait color and 2 on the black and chartreuse. And Robert caught a whole lot of fish on my jigs, a lot more than I did, but you're gonna have to watch that video on his channel. So I'll put a link to the Oklahoma Fishing Fools YouTube channel in the descriptions of this video so you can watch the massacre that he put on me, because besides the fact I'm owning up to it right now, I'm probably not gonna own up to it again. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it.